Hey everybody, Dr. Steven here. I was thinking about this just as I turned the camera on that I'm starting to need a haircut. Maybe some of you are in the same place. It was great seeing a number of you in our Zoom meeting, and hopefully others of you will be able to join this week. And we're going to do it for the next couple weeks until the end of the semester. This week, there's not really much going on in terms of external resources and videos, and that's intentional. I'm going to have one discussion question just to engage us as a community, and that's it. The rest of the time you can spend time working on your final essay, and so there's two things I'm looking to get from you in the next couple of weeks as we near the end of this class. The first will be the weekly entries for the journal, journal that you were keeping, once a week, a one-page, 250 word, double-spaced entry. And as I said, because of the extraordinary circumstances with the virus and all of that, I understand that many of you weren't able to complete all of your hours for the practicum. That's okay, don't worry about it. If I can just get like 10 pages rather than 15, 10 entries, and that's all due at the end of the semester. And then beyond that, the final paper is just a 6 to 8 page essay. I'm sorry, I'm having a problem speaking at the moment. A 6 to 8 page essay, double spaced of course, that deals with those Lominger competency skills in lieu of your practicum, and quite frankly, in our current circumstances, in lieu of the crisis we find ourselves in, you and leadership, kind of like our last week's discussion question. That'll be the final paper, if you will. So essentially there are 4 grade components. The first is the practicum itself, and you're all getting full credit, even though some of you are having a challenge now because of the coronavirus and the lockdown and all that. Number 2 is the discussion thread, and I'm giving full credit for being involved, and everyone's been involved in a very robust way, so full credit for that. The third is the journal, the 10 journal entries, and if you do that, I'm grading it in that if you turn it in, I'm giving full credit. I'll read through it, but I'm not going to grade punctuation or grade content. It's your journal. And then finally, the final essay paper, the 6 to 8 page paper. So that'll be the content of the grades. Everybody in the class is going to do great, so don't even sweat that. But I just hope and pray that this has been and continues to be, even these last couple weeks, a great experience for you. I'll see you guys in the discussion threads this week.